Hi, Dave Lawrence from the California Type Foundry. In this one, you're going to learn how to use the eraser tool to just clean up things. For example, this brush. Now, technically, this brush stroke is correct because as you translation, as you change directions, you would have this little kink right here. But since on the paper it sort of smooths out, that's how we want to get it a little bit more. And this is, for example, a cursive T in the old italic style. Okay, so if we go to Element and we want to go to Expand Filters, and what that's going to do is change the stroke like this. Okay, so now let's clean up some of this here and this down here. We're going to click on the eraser tool. And then instead of dragging, so I did this wrong for the longest time, instead of dragging, actually more dab like this. And you can notice that, let me just show you, parts like this here, that did not get deleted. So when you dab like that, it's only going to delete the nodes, but not the handles next to the nodes, like this. And then we have to zoom in a little bit more to get this. And that. Okay, so then from here, you can then go and tweak it, but now it's a little bit more rounded. So please subscribe to the California Type Foundry channel for more tips and tricks, and the FontLab channel.